First of all, I would like to introduce her to all of you. She is my student. Her name is Aisha Siddiqa. She is the student of class 10. She is my student of academic English batch, but for the last 10 days she has been learning speaking English in my spoken batch too. গত 10 দিন যাবত সে আমার স্পোকেন ব্যাচেরও একজন শিক্ষার্থী এবং চূড়ান্ত ডেডিকেশন এবং আমার সঠিক গাইডলাইন্স অনুসরণ করে ইংরেজি শিখছে। তো তারই সফলতা হিসেবে সে ইতিমধ্যে ইংরেজিতে যোগাযোগ করতে পারা, প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন সুন্দর করতে পারা এবং সকলের মাঝে বক্তব্য দেওয়ার মতো একটা দক্ষতা অর্জন করছে। সেটা আমি সবার সাথে শেয়ার করছি এই জন্য যে যাতে সবাই অনুপ্রাণিত হতে পারে এবং এটা চিন্তা করতে পারে যে আমরাও পারবো, আমরা কেন পারবো না। আয়েশা সিদ্দিকা, how are you doing?
I'm fit and fine.
Thank you very much. Aisha Siddiqa is fit and fine. Now you are asked to deliver an important speech about your country, Bangladesh. Please start your speech about your country. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, start now, please.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank my honorable teacher, Mr. Ariful Islam. Policy inspires me to be a good speaker English. I'm really grateful to him. Now I'm telling about my country. My country name is Bangladesh. Bangladesh official, the People's Republic of Bangladesh, the country is in South Asia. The national language is Bengali. Its capital is Dhaka and the commercial capital is Chittagong. Bangladesh got its independence from Pakistan in 1971. This was after a war in which over 1 million people died. Father of Bangladesh, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, he played the highest role during the liberation of Bangladesh. He is the founder of Bangladesh. The official religion of Bangladesh is Islam, and most Bangladeshi people are Muslim. Bangladesh has an area of 147,570 square kilometers. Currently, Bangladesh has 64 districts and 8 divisions. The largest mangrove forest in the world is the Sundarbans. It's located from Bangladesh. There are a total of 350 species of plants and 120 species of fish. The main attraction of Sundarban is the Royal Bengal tiger, which is the national element of our country. Bangladesh is a country of 6 seasons. I'm really proud to be born in Bangladesh and I love my country a lot. If anything particular you'd like to know about my country, I would be happy to answer. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Aisha Siddiqa, to deliver your important speech about your country. Thank you.